Ready to transform your health and achieve your weight goals with personalized guidance from Fitelo. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the official Fitelo website by typing fitelo.co into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the homepage loads, look for a section or button typically labeled Programs, Plans, or Get Started €. It's usually prominent in the top menu or on the main page. Click on it. You'll now see the various wellness programs Fitelo offers. Take a moment to browse through them. They are often categorized by goals like weight loss, weight gain, or managing specific health conditions. Select the plan that best aligns with your personal health objectives and preferred duration. Click on your chosen plan to proceed. Next, you'll likely need to provide some basic information. Fill out the required fields accurately, which usually include your name, email address, and phone number, so the team can connect with you. Now it's time to complete the joining process by making the payment. Choose your preferred secure payment method from the available options and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the transaction. After successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation, often via email or directly on the screen. This confirms your enrollment in the Fitelo program. Keep an eye out for further instructions, which might include downloading the Fitelo app and details about scheduling your initial consultation with your dedicated dietitian. And that's it. You've successfully joined Fitelo and are on your way to a healthier you.